Alright, three of you, are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Okay. When I say 1, 2, 3, you ring the bell. Who rings the bell first? And have to say, like for example, I say the dog, and you say there is a dog running around. Okay? You got it? Now, hand on your head. Come on. Hand on your head. And another hand. Okay, on the back. One hand on your back and one hand on your head. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. One on your head now. You have to put on your head. 1, 2, 3. I just got to 2. Why you ring it? Once again. 1, 2, 3. Now, tell me, what about 2 kids with the ball? There is or there are?
There are
2
kids playing
with?
with the ball.
Very well. Okay. 1 for you. Take it. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, really? Okay, now tell me, what about the dog? Tell me about the dog.
The dog.
There is or there are?
The dog runs around.
There is a dog running
A dog running
around.
around.
Very good. You won. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hi, tell me, what about the boy? What about that boy? There is or there are?
There is
A boy
a boy
playing on the
playing on the
swing.
swing.
Say it again. There is a boy playing on the swing.
There is
A
a boy
playing
playing
on.
on the swing.
Very well. Okay, not very fluently, but he can remember. Very good. Okay, hi. Now, 1, 2. Just 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, tell me, what about the birds?
There are 2 birds drinking water.
Very good. Okay, 1 for you. You remember all, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, girl. Ian, try out. Okay, hi. Tell me, what about the dog? There is or there are?
There is
There is a
a
dog
dog
running
running
around.
around.
There is a dog running around.
There is a dog running around.
Good. All right. 1. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. 1 for you. All right, you take it. 2 for you. 2, 3. Actually, 3 of you, but okay, Ian, because she never talk. Ian, tell me, what about the birds? There. We got 2, right? 2 birds. So there is or there are? There? No. There is 2 birds or there are 2 birds? Good job. Okay, you say there are 2 birds drinking what? Water. Okay. There are 2 birds drinking water. Say it again. Say loudly. There are 2 birds drinking water. 1 for you. Okay, she got the problem with remembering the long sentence. 3, 2, 1. Hi. All right. Hi. Tell me, what about 2 kids? What about 2 kids with the ball? What about 2 kids with the ball? 2 kids with the ball. 2 kids over there with the ball. There is or there are? Good. There are
two,
two kids
two kids
throwing
throwing
the.
the ball.
Very well. Okay. You take it. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, tell me, what about the boy here?
The ball
There is or there are
is
a
a ball
playing on the.
on the swing.
Good job. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hi. What about two birds over here? What about two birds? There is or there are?
There
Yeah. There are two birds.
are two birds.
Two birds.
Two birds.
The drinking
Drinking
what? Drinking water.
drinking water.
Very good. One for you. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. So can you? 3, 2, 2 only. What? All right, just it. I'm just kidding. All right. So you got how many smiles did you get? 4 and you? 4 and you? 1. I'm sorry. All right.